Hello defense aspirants, I am Swati Sheth, a 2 times recommended candidate through JAG entry and the NCC special entry from Team Alpha Lead Academy. In this video, I will be sharing about the NCC special entry and the recent changes and developments made in the notification. As you can see, the NCC special entry is an exclusive direct entry for all the NCC cadets who have their C certificate with A or B grade. Are you an NCC cadet who wants to upgrade your uniform from the NCC uniform to the Indian Armed Forces uniform? This is your chance. Through this entry, you can directly join the Indian Armed Forces as a commissioned officer of rank Lieutenant in the Indian Army, Sub-Lieutenant in the Indian Navy and a flying officer in the Indian Air Force. This is a short service commission for the Indian Army and a permanent commission for the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force. Now the best part is there is no written exam for the Indian Army, Navy and the Air Force entries, and the shortlisting will be based on your degree percentage and your NCC certificate. If you get recommended to this entry, you will be training at the Officers Training Academy OTA Chennai. Now I will be sharing the eligibility criteria for this entry. You should be an unmarried male or a female aged between 19 to 25 years. You should be a graduate and you should have a minimum B grade in your C certificate exam of NCC. Now the vacancies for this entry is 70 for men and 6 for women as per the current notification, and this is subject to changes. And the pre-commissioned training academy will be the Officers Training Academy Chennai for 49 weeks, and as I have mentioned before, this is a short service commission for the Indian Army and a permanent commission for the Indian Navy and the Air Force. Now I will be sharing about the latest changes and the developments in the notification for the NCC special entry, and through this the applicants will be awarded a bonus marks out of maximum 100 marks for their performance in NCC C certificate and graduation marks for the creation of merit. Now here you can see the example that if you hold a A grade in your NCC C certificate, you will be allotted 50 marks for that, and if you have a B grade, you will be allotted a 25 marks. And similarly, based on your graduation marks, if you are someone who holds up to 60%, there will be nil marks allotted, and from 60 to 64.99 you will get a 5 marks bonus, and 65 to 69.99 you will get a 10 marks bonus, and subsequently it will go on. And if you have 85 to 100% in your graduation, you will be allotted a 50 marks. Now if I have to explain this with an example, a candidate with a 78% marks in his graduation and a B grading in his NCC C certificate will be awarded a 30 plus 25, that is 55 bonus marks, and this marks will help you during your merit. Now showing you the few of many faces from Alpha Lead Academy who have been recommended under the NCC Special Entry SSB. The first one here is Kumar Balaji CT. He has secured AIR 1 in the NCC Special Entry Indian Air Force, and subsequently Swati M. Sheth, Suvarsha Gaur and Pranav Bhatt have also cleared the SSB for NCC Special Entry. Now coming to our team. Our team comprises of all retired assessors who have served as assessors in the selection boards. First up, Group Captain Abhinav Chaturvedi sir, who is a retired officer of the Indian Air Force. He is currently the CEO and founder of Alpha Lead Academy. Sir is a qualified flying instructor. He is a DIPR trained psychologist who has served multiple SSB tenures, and he has served as the ex-commanding officer of 4-car A Squadron NCC Mysuru. Next up we have Colonel M.S. Surendranath sir, who have served in the Indian Army in the Brigade of Guards. He is a group testing officer who has served in the SSB board of Prayagraj, selecting officers for the Indian Armed Forces. Next up we have Group Captain Manoj Dayal sir, who is a retired officer of the Indian Air Force. He is a DIPR trained interviewing officer and who is an expert in his field, and he has served multiple SSB tenures in the Air Force selection boards of Mysuru and Varanasi. And we have Wing Commander Rajgopal sir, who is a retired officer of the Indian Air Force, who is a DIPR trained GTO and an expert in his field, and he has served as a GTO officer in Air Force selection boards of Varanasi and Mysuru. Now At Alpha Lead Academy, what are the things that we offer? We have a full-fledged GT ground, we have a full site training, personal interview, personalized feedback. We also have a dormitory facility, a student-friendly fee and discount for NCC cadets and wards of ex-servicemen. And the best part is that the academy is located just 300 meters from 2 AFSB Selection Board, Mysuru. You can contact us by WhatsApping at the given number, or you can even call us or walk in. Now the best part, if you are someone who has applied for the NCC Special Entry SSB and looking for a place to train yourself, look no more. Walk into Alpha Lead Academy, Mysuru. And for all those who will be registering with us for your SSB training before 28 Feb 2026, you can avail a 10% off. So ladies and gentlemen, what are you waiting for? New batch starts every Monday. Join yours now. Jai Hind.